Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Melissa, aka MISSYG, and I'm gonna need you to be part of the family. So I'm gonna need you to, before the video starts, subscribe, and we'll leave the rest for later. Okay, you guys, so for today's video, it's gonna be a little bit different. My makeup's already done. We are going to be doing edges. You see, like, I look like a clown right now. I look crazy, but in a little bit I'm gonna be looking snatched, right? So let's see. All you need for this part of your hair routine is a toothbrush, and don't mind my toothbrush because it's so dirty. It's not dirty, it just has a whole bunch of hair on it, like hair and gel. Let me see. Hair and gel. So we're just gonna, you can use whatever you want. I'm gonna use my Eco Styler and just a toothbrush. The reason why I don't use edge brushes is because it's too, like, they're really hard. Like, the bristles are really hard, so it hurts, and I don't like that, and I feel like it rips out my hair. So I like toothbrushes because it's really soft. It's perfect for my hair texture, so I love it. Okay, so what I like to do, I like to start from the middle right here and then work my way down into the sides. So we're gonna just dab a little bit on it, and we are going to go brush, and then you can take your finger and go up like this. So like that. Don't worry if you missed it, we're gonna be doing that for my whole head. So I like to add a little more, especially my baby hairs, the middle, I don't know what it is, they tend to stand up even after I put gel. So I'm gonna do like that. Do you see? Okay, that's the middle. Now let's do this right here. So I'm gonna dab on a little bit more, and same thing, I'm going to brush down. Let me put a little bit more because that was not enough. So we're going to brush down and do a little circle thingy, right? And then brush the rest up. Like that. Then I can only do about one more, and my sideburns on this side, right? So I'm going to take a little bit more, and I'm going to brush and go up, like this, like that. Ooh. Okay, like this. I don't know if you guys can see that, but let's fix these over here. Let's fix these. Okay. Now, what I do before I do my sideburns, like the excess hair that I have right here, I like to take my brush and brush that back. And my daughter is starting to whine, so I want to make this a little bit fast. She's starting to cry. Because you want everything to be snatched back, so you have to, you know, make sure. Okay, now we have our sideburn right here. And I really just use the tip of the brush for this one, so just put a little bit of, like, just on the tip. And this is the part you have to be very careful with. So, and if you want to, you know, take it a step further, do a little curve with it. Sorry. See? It's not that hard. Just down and curve that thing up. And and there's your sideburn. Now look at this side versus the side that's done. This is how you want it to look. So we're gonna do this to the other side very quickly. I know you guys hear her making her little seams like she knows how to do. And take this and go up. Nice. Good. For this side has two, but this one I'm only gonna do one and the sideburn. So let's brush back the excess hair as we should. Okay. Brush back the excess hair. And let me do the sideburn very quickly. There's my other sideburn. Here's this one. And there is my hair. My hair is snatched. And any little stragglers that you see, just brush them off with the same brush. Just take it like you would if it was, you know, an edge brush. And there you go, you guys. There is my edges. Do you guys like them? So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. And I'm gonna need you now that everything is said and done and you watched it, you're here, you're still here. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm gonna need you to give it a thumbs up, and I'm gonna need you to press that bell so that you can get notifications for when I am going to be posting next. I post Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays at 12:30 p.m. Thank you so much, guys. Goodbye.